Press the pause button, please. Wait now, please. Alex, are you pressing it?
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Hi guys, so how are you? This is your host, Colossal Titan or Ivy. And you're tuning to Yoga Vlogs, and this is my first ever you'll see Colossal Titan doing yoga. So give a round of applause. Woo! Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Yoga Vlogs, right? I'm so happy. So please subscribe to my channel here, Yoga Vlogs. Alright? So today we are going to do some unboxing. And this one is the other one. This one. So we are going to unbox, and this is a, what is this again? A Yoga Blocks Cork. Yoga Blocks Cork, right? Yoga Blocks Cork. So versus, what is the other one? There. So Yoga Cork versus the foam. So this one is a foam, and these two are yoga blocks. I'd like to thank my sponsor who sent these yoga blocks, right? So we are going to unbox. This one is very hard. So this is how it looks like. It's a cork board, right? And there. Okay, it's a cork. So it's a very nice, and it's hard, right? Oh my god, it's hard. So this one, and we are going to unbox this too. How are you guys? So how do you like my look? All right. Okay, enough with that. So this one is a cork, and this one is a, what is this? A foam. So we are going to tell the difference, and my review is that you can actually use this, but it's kind of sturdy, and it's foam. It is foam. So I'm actually using both. This is what I'm using before, as you can see on my previous vlogs. But this one is just came in just a few weeks ago, so I like this too. So we are going to compare. Okay, can you please pause? Please, can you please pause? Done? Oh, thank you. So we were using earlier the zone, and we're going to use now this one. Uy. Can you please turn on the light? You say hi to them. Hi. Hi.
I'm going to eat pretzel. Mom, I'm going to eat pretzel as the Titan.
No. Come on, come on. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my god.
What?
This dying. I'm sorry. Do not show yourself. Excuse me. Guys, again, please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Yoga Vlogs, for more Colossal Titan videos, okay?
Channel.
Forget to subscribe my channel. Can you pause it, please? Pause it, please. I'm telling you guys, this is superb. You should get it. This is called Evolve. This is Evolve Cork yoga block, so it's nice, and because it's very hard. Okay, so it's very hard, and this is okay, but for a beginner, you can actually use this one. Okay, so again, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, right? Subscribe to my channel, Yoga Vlogs, and see you soon. Please like, subscribe, more Colossal Titan doing yoga series videos. Bye. See ya guys.